Yeah, I got all my end grain sanded down pretty good. It looks pretty nice. Got all the burn marks out of it. The router makes you cross-cut oak. The router will usually burn it. Some maybe not real bad, but moved up pretty good. Now what I want to do, I'll go just like that. Come on, slide up in there, baby. Now what I want to do, I want to come up here and rip this bottom lip off this shelf so I can nail. Come out of there. I want to come in here and rip right down that line. I want to rip all this right here. Yeah, it's not straight, but all that right there, I want to remove it. And I'll show you why here in a minute. Get all that removed. And I'll show you why I ripped that off. It'll all go like that. And like I say, I ripped that bottom part off. So what we want, when I go to put this piece in, which it's all come apart, that'll go in there. Still be even at the top. And then I'll nail my drawer through my bottom into my back. But there won't be no nails along the bottom anywhere else. That'll let the bottom float. That should be great. That should keep it pretty square too. After I get all my drawer put together, I'll come back and stain it all. And I'm going to be using the little brad nails, 1 inch. A little nailer. It does a pretty good job. Now what I want to do is take a paintbrush. Try to be careful with my glue. I don't want to get it all over everything, because this is the part I'm going to be staining that you'll see. Of course, it's going to be on the inside of the drawer. It's not that big a deal. Just make it look a little better. And it's going to go right there, so I want a little bit on my end grain here. Try not to put too much. And that may be too much. I don't know. We'll see what we got here. Make sure I line up my bottom grooves. Yeah, I got a little bit of glue on it. Now close to square we are here. Man, that looks good, boy. Well, let's try this again, maybe. My bottom groove now. Yeah, I did better that time. Get my glue out of there. Now I'll come in here and slide my bottom in, see how it's gonna fit. Yeah, we'll glue this back part here. But I need to put my glue on this piece. I think I got too much glue on it. I just have to come back with a damp rag, get it off before it dries. Like I say, I don't want to glue none of it on my bottom. All I want to do is nail that. I'm going to spread these apart just a little bit if I can. Yeah, let me wipe off some of my glue here, especially on my inside if I can. Oh yeah, that made it better. Some of it's going to squeeze out on me, but it's just all I can do. One nail right there. Turn it around here. Bottom even. Too bad. Yeah, let me get one over here. That don't look too bad to me right there. Now I just got to square it up. I can square it up now with my bottom, pushing left and right, whatever I need to do, and then I'll nail through my bottom lid. That'll let me square it up. Should be pretty close to square right now. Glue out of my brush a little better. Man, that is not bad at all right there. Not bad at all right there. Man, that's perfect right there. Nice and even. That should hold my drawer square. Double check it here. That looks good. That looks nice to me. Now I come in here. Nail my bottom in since I got it square. Well, now let's see if all my calculations are right. I may not even fit. I have no idea. Let's see what we got here. Like a glove. It almost looked like I knew what I was doing there, other than that part. It'll be nice. Now I've got to come in here and fix a little lever in here, so when you open the drawer, it'll only come out so far without either totally coming out or tipping down. You want it to just come out something like that and stop. That should work out good. That turned out fairly nice. Fairly nice. I think I can make it work. Well, I've been mixing stain colors, and I don't really know what color is going to match the best. I think what I'm going to do is take gunstock first and stain it, and then go over it with cherry. That'll add just a little more brown to it. Not too far off color wise. So I don't know what we're going to come up with. Don't look too bad, I guess. Don't match, but wood grain's what's about noticeable on it. Other than that, the table turned out pretty good, I think. I think it'll be okay. Especially since I've got about $20 in it, I think it turned out pretty good. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.